Hi, Anam. How was your weekend?
It was great. How about yours?
Mine was good too. What did you do?
I visited my grandparents.
That sounds lovely. Where do they live?
They live in the countryside.
Oh, did you go there by car?
Yes, I drove there on Friday evening.
How long did it take?
It took around 2 hours.
Did you stop anywhere on the way?
Yes, I stopped at a petrol station.
Did you buy snacks?
Yes, I bought chips and juice.
What did you do after you arrived?
I had dinner with my grandparents.
What did you eat?
We ate rice and chicken curry.
That sounds delicious.
Yes, my grandma cooked it.
What did you do on Saturday?
I helped my grandpa in the garden.
That's nice. Did you take pictures?
Yes, I took many pictures.
Did you post them online?
No, I saved them on my phone.
I'd love to see them someday.
Sure, I'll show you later.
Did you meet any of your cousins?
Yes, 2 of them visited in the afternoon.
What did you all do together?
We played cards and talked a lot.
Did you go outside?
Yes, we went for a walk in the evening.
How was the weather?
It was cool and windy.
Did it rain?
No, but it looked like it might.
What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I read a book.
Which book did you read?
I read The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho.
I read that too. Did you like it?
Yes, I really enjoyed it.
What was your favorite part?
I liked the ending. It was surprising.